Good morning, class. Today is March 23rd, 2020. Now, it's been a while since we've done calendar because we hadn't seen each other in a while. So we've missed a week of school. So I went ahead and put the clovers on there, but you can help me put the clover on today. So we're going to put it on the number 23. So we have 22, and then next comes 23. All right. Now, months of the year. Let's say them together and then we'll sing our song. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now we're in the month of March right now, so which month comes next? April, that is right. Awesome. Let's sing our song together. Stand up. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you sit back down. Awesome job. Okay, we're going to move on to the days of the week. Let's say them first and then we will sing them. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. As we sing, I want you to do our sign language along with me, okay? Here we go. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Awesome job. Okay, we have 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. Now, last time I saw you, it was still winter. We were waiting so impatiently for spring. And last week, on the 19th, it is now spring. And it usually is on the 20th, but this year, since it was a leap year, we talked a little bit about that this year. We get to have spring a day early. So it is spring. All right, the weather. Now let's think about the weather, because you've probably been outside. Today, the weather is rainy. It is rainy today. I'm a little sad about that, even though I know we need the rain. It is so nice to have that sunny weather. Yesterday, the weather was sunny, cloudy, warm, rainy. What do you think? Where I was yesterday, it was windy, so I'm going to put windy. Tomorrow, I think the weather will be, I hope it will be sunny, so that's what I'm going to put. You let me know what you think. All right, we're going to do some counting. We're going to count by tens, fives, and twos. So let's start with counting by tens. Starting with 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. Now we are going to count by tens, starting with the number, let's start with 7. So 10 more than 7 is what we're going to start. 7, 17. Now 2 tens, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97, and we know that next would be 107. Awesome job. Now we're going to count by fives, and we're just going to do it our normal way. We're going to go to 60, starting with 5. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Good job. Let's count by fives all the way to 100. We'll start at 65. 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Great job. Now we're going to count by twos. Let's start at 12 and count by twos. We're going to go to 60. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. Awesome. I want you to look at a pattern. And it happens every time we count by fives or tens or twos, but I really want you to look at the pattern that we just used when we were counting. I'm going to get my highlighter. We started at 12. So I want you to look at this number. How would we say that the 10 way? How would we say 12 the 10 way? We would say 1, 10, 2, 1. So 1, 10, 2. The next number was 14. 1, 10, 4. 16, 1, 10, 6. 18, 1, 10, 8. And then we get to 20. And do we have any ones? No, we have 0 ones, but we have 2 tens now. So now I just want us to stop looking at the tens place for now and just look at the ones place. So we're going to go to our next number, which would be 22. What number is in the ones place of 22? 2, that is right. 2 is in the ones place. So we have 2 tens, 2 ones. Now look at this pattern. We had 1 10, 2 ones, and then 2 10, 2 ones. So we would say 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. What number is in the ones place? That's right, 4 is in the ones place. What do you think is going to be in the ones place of the next number? If you said 6, you are correct. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30 has 0 ones. We're starting over. Now we have 3 tens and 0 ones. 32, 34, 36, 38. Starting over, 40, 0 ones. So now we're going to have 2 ones, which is 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Starting over. So look at these patterns. When we count by twos, the ones place is always going to have a 2, and then a 4, and then a 6, and then an 8, and then it will start over with 0 ones, but we'll have a new 10. 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. That is really cool. Make sure you look at that pattern when you're trying to skip count. All right, now we're going to look at your words to practice. So this week in your packet, you have Letterland. This is a review lesson. You have Letterland Unit 10, and it's talking about best friends on the end. And we know that the 3 sets of best friends on the end that we have right now are Firefighter Fred and Firefighter Frank, Lucy Lamplight and Linda Lamplight, LL, and Sammy Snake and his sister. So FF, LL, SS. And here's what I want you to do. If you have a piece of paper near you and a pencil or a pen, go ahead and grab that, and I'm going to have you practice these words with me. All right, so one of our words that I want you to try to spell right now, remember we're using best friends on the end, so all of these words will have double letters on the end, okay? I want you to try to spell the word will, 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 will. Sound that out. Will. We know that that has the ul sound at the end, so it's going to go under our LL ending, best friends on the end, and let's sound that out. Will. Hopefully you spelled it W-I-L-L, will. If you did, pat yourself on the back. Awesome job. Okay, we're going to move on to another word now. The next word I want us to try is less. Less. Think about the sounds you hear in that word. Less. Will that go under FF, LL, or SS? Less. I hear Sammy Snake in that word, so it's going to go under SS. Less. Let's sound it out together. Ul, S. Now, Sammy makes that sound by himself, but we know that when Sammy's on the end of a word, sometimes he has his best friend with him. Less. The next word I want us to look at is mess. Mess. Now, this word is a rhyming word. What is a rhyming word? We know that rhyming words have the same ending sounds. So find the other word that has the same ending sound, less, and we're going to write mess. M-S. The next word we're going to try is huff. Huff. I'm sorry, not huff. Puff. Puff. It does rhyme with huff. Puff. That's going to go under FF. Puff. Now we're going to try a rhyming word for puff. Cuff. 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 We're going to try one more, and we'll follow this up tomorrow. We'll finish tomorrow. It's going to rhyme with will. I want you to write the word fill. 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 Like you fill up a bucket with water. Fill. Fill. All right. Make sure you are practicing those words to get you some good spelling and reading practice in. Okay, my video is getting kind of long, so we're going to go ahead and do our song. So stand up, do the motions, just like we would do it in class, and let's get started. Sing out loud. If we think about it and we're doing our best, I know we'll keep growing. Sing oh-ay-oh, use the power of yet and our work ethic. I know we can do it. Sing oh-ay-oh, we'll show the world we got that fire. Feel our brains growing in power. Help each other make it through. Lead with kindness is what we do. And we're getting smarter too, 'cause we're better when we're learning. Yeah, yeah, we're better when we're learning. Yeah, yeah. We can do this together, 'cause we're better when we're learning. Yeah, yeah. B112, let's go. Have a